friends, it's me, Minnie. Today, we're going on a roaring adventure. Guess where? That's right, Dinosaur Land. Wow! Look at all these giant dinosaurs. Let's meet them one by one and learn their names and sounds. Here's our first friend, the T-Rex. Roar! Can you roar like a T-Rex? Say it with me. T-Rex. Next, we have the Triceratops. It has 3 big horns. It goes grrr. Say it together. Triceratops. Ooh! This one has a very long neck. It's the Brachiosaurus. It eats leaves from tall trees. Let's all stretch our necks up high, like a Brachiosaurus. Look, a spiky one. That's a Stegosaurus. Its back is covered with plates. It goes rrrr. Here comes the fastest dinosaur, the Velociraptor. Run, run, run with me. Velociraptor. Wow, this is so much fun. Let's sing our Dino Song together. T-Rex roars so loud, Triceratops is horny and proud, Brachiosaurus munching trees, Stegosaurus plates like these, Velociraptor runs so fast, Dino friends forever last. Yay! Great job, friends! You learned the names and sounds of 5 amazing dinosaurs today. Now, here's a special surprise. I've made fun dinosaur coloring and puzzle sheets just for you. Want them? Ask your grown-up to click the link below. No sign-up needed. See you next time on another mini adventure. Bye-bye, friends. Roar!